dyan, o mga babae, no, yun yung mga viewers natin. Yun. So mga kabunso, kahira muna ha, ngayon. Wag mo muna kayo mag-focus kay Bunso. Dito muna tayo ha. Pagkatapos nila, balik na naman tayo kay Bunso.
Ang tanong ko lang, ano yung mga naging rason ninyo mga bunso? Bakit kayo sumali sa ganito?
Oh,
What is that?
what's your reason why you joined this kind of pageant?
For me, at first, it was to follow in my brother's footsteps. My brother,
Your brother also a title?
yeah, he was Man of the World 2021.
So you're, ano yung lahi
May
ng
mga
mga
rason
gwapo?
sila.
Yeah,
Kasi
and-
hindi natin alam kung ano yung rason kung bakit sila talaga. Ngayon, aalamin natin kung bakit sila
So follow your brother's footsteps.
Yeah, and then when I joined it, I fell in love with the camaraderie that we made. It's like a brotherhood in every pageant. Yeah.
So you enjoy the company?
Yeah, and then now, what pushes me, what drives me to want to join more is to bring a win for the Philippines
Ay,
internationally.
wow! Karangalan talaga sa bansa.
And congratulations.